How to fix TikTok birthday in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, first thing I want to do, open the settings, go to the apps manager, open the apps like this, and then go to the TikTok app right here. If you didn't find it, you can just use this search bar here in the top and search for TikTok. After that, it will take you to the app information page. Now you have to go here to the data usage and disable the roaming data and make sure that all the other options are enabled. Go back and click on the storage right here. This is the internal storage. As you can see, I have a total of data of 2 gigabyte. As you can see, all what you want to do is click on clear data and click on delete. After that, go back, and now you have to do one last thing, which is just restart your phone and reopen TikTok, and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe.